But I would like to tell you that I had been food supplements consultant in the Philippines for 7 years now, a medical doctor for 25 years now, a general surgeon operating on adults 22 years now, and I subspecialized on pediatric surgery, and I've been practicing for 19 years now. And I'm glad to share with you that I have remained as the only board-certified pediatric surgeon of the whole island of Negros, comprising about 2 million people. And this is what I do every day. If I'm not invited to speak for DXN, I look at patients in the intensive care unit or in the ward. And I also teach. I am a professor. I am a professor of anatomy, physiology, microbiology, pharmacology for physical therapists, nurses, and students of medicine for 8 years. And these are some of my students who are there in the Philippines. We know that the red mushroom is the best in the world, and DXN has gathered not 1, but 6 of the best mushrooms, and we call them GANODERMA. We have a GANODERMA that is shaped just like your liver, just like your brain, or just like your heart, or particularly any organ of your body. And what is this a clue of? That they can be used for practically anything that you feel in your body, and for the maintenance of health of these different organs of your body. And this is how we grow them there in Kedah, Malaysia. Now, you ask me, what is it in the GANODERMA RGGL that give its wonders? And these are the things that are 200 components, or more than 200 components are seen inside our GANODERMA RGGL. But always, as I lecture on this, I choose only the top 5 most scientifically accepted and proven clinically and by researchers to exert the all-around effects exerted on our body. And these are the polysaccharides, triterpenes, adenosines, sterols, and the organic germanium. So very briefly, the polysaccharides render us a very good and healthy immune system. And it even increases our interferon production. What is interferon? From the word itself, it interferes. So if there is a virus, a toxin, a bacteria that comes in, it will interfere with the entry of those bad cells. It also adapts to the immune system status. That means it is an adaptogen. Whatever your immune status is, if it's weak, it will make it stronger. If it is already strong, then it will stabilize it, a strong immune system. The polysaccharides also give us a lot of natural killer cells. The ones that I showed you a little earlier. Natural killer cells are easy to understand, even for you who are not medical doctors. Natural, it is naturally occurring in our body. It's there in your body and mine. And then killer, they can kill whatever invaders and cells that are going to give us diseases. They will kill all of them. They can be helper T cells or killer T cells. And as I've shown you also, the macrophages, those friendly soldiers of ours with large mouths, and they can help also in chemotherapy and radiotherapy. The triterpenes are our anti-allergic components inside the mushroom. And this will prevent the breakdown of mast cells, because if an invader or an allergen gets into the blood, the mast cells will break up and then will make us have difficulty of breathing or develop these rashes in our skin. But if triterpene is present in our blood, then these histamines will not be released. So we will not experience difficulty in breathing or these rashes that are on our skin. They also give us insulin-like side effects. That's why we are very effective among diabetics. This is one area, diabetes, where our GANODERMA RGGL is really best known for. I have so many testimonies already in the Philippines, complete with laboratory results, that really after taking these mushroom of ours for some time, the different laboratory results that come after the first one show that there is a constant decrease of the blood glucose or the blood sugar until it becomes normal. It also has a very good effect on our liver as a liver protection. Adenosine that is contained in our GANODERMA RGGL also helps in muscle contraction and sugar metabolism. So diabetics can also benefit from this. And what's more, it can give you calming and sedative effects. That is why when you drink our coffee with its adenosine also there, you will tend to have these calming and sedative effects. And then they also hasten your wound healing so that your wounds will heal faster. And the sterols that are found inside our Ganoderma RGGL help us to have good hormone production. They give us a lot of vitamin D, sex hormones, and even bile acids. And this has been proven by science and medicine to reduce the risk of developing cancer of the colon because of the beta-cytosterol that are found inside our Ganoderma RGGL. Now, the organic germanium is also very important because it provides us with a lot of minerals and helps in the blood flow and oxygen supply of our body. It also helps us in getting a lot more of those friendly soldiers that are guarding us and protecting us from the entry of many diseases. And again, interferon production. So, if you summarize everything, if people ask you what is really the effect of Ganoderma RGGL powder to our body, your answer is only one if you want to be very short about it, because you don't have to memorize any technical term here, remember. So the best answer is, our product, Ganoderma RGGL, is a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidant is, so let me explain to you, and I hope this explanation you will never forget, because this is going to be very helpful in helping other people understand our products. First, there are 3 terms that you need to know. Oxidants. They are in the environment. Oxidants. So if there are oxidants, there are antioxidants. They are nemesis. They are enemies. No? They don't like each other. So take, for example, oxygen. Oxygen can be oxidized by oxidants. And if they are oxidized, they will become a superoxide. A superoxide is a very unstable molecule of oxygen that is considered a free radical. So why are we so afraid of free radical? I'm sure you always hear the word free radicals. Because if there are many free radicals around our blood, then this will destroy the different tissues found in our body. So that is why we do not want free radicals, we do not want superoxides, we do not want oxygen. And so we need a very, oxidants rather, and so we need a very powerful antioxidant in the form of Ganoderma RGGL. And it has been proven by science and medicine, and several results have been published, that it has effects on the various ailments of human beings, from the most common colds, flu, allergy, asthma, heart disease, hypertension, stroke, diabetes, arthritis, osteoporosis, kidney disease, and the most dreaded cancer. So we can be criticized by our detractors that why is DXN trying to promote their Ganoderma to have these beneficial effects on practically all ailments of men? Your answer is, what can we do? Because it is what all the results of the clinical trials and the results of the scientific studies that have been so far done on this particular product. What can we do? All you have to do is read and probably just surf the internet and you will be able to find the same things. Now, the actions of Ganoderma can be summarized as follows: cleansing, detoxification, balancing, strengthening, and then nourishing. So simply, what it's going to do in your body that has is already laden with all the toxins and the smoke and the pollutants around you, is just slowly cleanse it until your body becomes normal again. So that is only the way you can achieve healthy body. What is a healthy body? You feel good inside as well as outside because you will look younger. Then you will resist illness, you'll become stronger, and you will definitely live longer. Now,